here in DC and Virginia are taking on those projects as well. The first picture you're going to see is from Mountain View Alternative High School in Fairfax, Virginia. They've taken on our Unplugged competition to see which school can drop the most pounds of CO2 by cutting off the lights and unplugging the electronics. And they became one of the top schools in our DC region. The next picture is from Prince George's County in Maryland, the Ecology Club at Gwynn Park High School. Since they've started, they've refurbished the greenhouse that sits behind them, and those vegetables actually are used in the cafeteria, and they've expanded their recycling program into this national competition and became one of the top schools in the country. But students could go even bigger. I want you to check this out.
We're here because we saw an amazing ACE presentation 2 years ago that inspired us to go on this crazy journey. We figured that if we can do it, you can do it.
We decided to take this to other local schools through our organization, Smart Power Ed.
I'm Manish.
I'm Daniela.
Hi, Daniela.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
Hey, Shreya, nice to see you.
So far, in less than 2 years, we've had 13% savings, about $23,000.
That's the story. We want every school in America benchmarking their energy performance and map it. Are you in? All right, deal is closed.
All right, let's hear it for Shreya and Daniela. See now, this gets me excited every time because for Shreya and Daniela, it started right here where you are all right now. They got started from an ACE presentation. And they got started by doing two things, and that's what I'm about to ask you to do right now. The first thing is to pick a dot. The next thing is to join your action team. So what's a dot? A dot means do one thing to help the environment and help cool the climate. You see, you don't have to live in a cave to lower your emissions. You can start by doing one simple action that's good for the planet and good for you. I mean, anyone can do one thing, right? It's a great way to get started, and then you start building green habits for life. Check out the ideas on the screen to help you get going. Carpooling to school, that's a very easy thing. How many people here have a cell phone, an Xbox, or PlayStation? Unplug the gadgets when you're done using them. It saves electricity. Buying things and using things that are already reused, or it's something that you can reuse, like a water bottle, or bringing your own bag when you go grocery shopping. Buying vintage clothes. These are very simple things that you can pick up and do right away. So what's your dot? Why wait? Because you could also text DOT to 30644. That's right, I got special permission to get your phones out and text DOT to 30644. Everybody, show me your phones. Show me your phones. Yes. Show me your phones. Teachers, you can nod your heads. All right. Let me see your phones. You got 30 seconds to text DOT to 30644. Ready, set, go. Okay, so once you text, you'll get a text back asking what your dot is. Just send the text back with your dot, and then you're in. It costs the same as standard text messaging rate. So if you're allowed to text, send the text. And you can opt out at any time. So it's DOT to 30644. DOT to 30644. Text back with your dot, or else it won't count. Got it? All right.